Welcome back to Plantopedia. Subscribe to join our growing library of weekly master guides. Many popular houseplants contain hidden toxins that are dangerous for pets, but you don't have to sacrifice style for safety. Here are 5 beautiful houseplants that are completely non-toxic. First is the parlor palm. This elegant, fine-textured palm brings a soft, tropical vibe to a room without carrying any of the dangerous toxicity found in sago palms or cycads. It thrives in average indoor light and handles low humidity remarkably well, making it an ideal choice for adding height to a side table or an empty corner. To keep its delicate fronds from turning brown, shield it from harsh midday sun and allow the top inch of soil to dry out between waterings. While it stays relatively upright, our next plant offers a bold architectural ripple that handles even trimmer layouts. That structural option is the bird's nest fern. Unlike standard messy ferns, this species features glossy, wavy fronds that grow in a tight nest-like rosette, creating a clean, modern look. It loves a humid environment, making it a masterpiece for a bright bathroom or a kitchen counter where your pets might linger. The trick to its growth is watering around the edges rather than directly into the center nest, which can trap moisture and cause rot. If you prefer bold patterns over solid green, though, the next plant brings a striking design to your space. The rattlesnake plant is a stunning choice for pattern lovers. Its long, narrow leaves display a rhythmic spotted design on top and a rich, deep purple underneath. It is completely pet-safe, allowing you to add high-contrast color to lower shelves or floor planters without any safety concerns. It performs a daily movement, raising its leaves at night and lowering them during the day. This requires consistent moisture, which brings us to a crucial soil strategy we will look at in a moment. Next, let's explore a classic trailing option. For a cascading look, the spider plant is a reliable and safe classic. Its arching, striped leaves create a fountain-like silhouette that pets often find fascinating. Because it is entirely non-toxic, you don't have to worry if a cat occasionally paws at the dangling spiralets that grow on its long stems. It is highly forgiving of inconsistent watering, making it incredibly easy to manage. We will look at a great hanging placement tip in the outro, but first, let's check out a compact glossy gem. Finally, we have the baby rubber plant. If you love the thick, bold look of a traditional rubber tree, but need a pet-safe alternative, this peperomia is the perfect match. Its thick, spoon-shaped leaves look polished and store moisture efficiently, allowing it to handle dry indoor air and a mist watering with ease. It stays neat and compact, fitting perfectly on a low coffee table or desk right within your pet's reach, completely risk-free. At Plantopedia, we appreciate these resilient species for their bold presence and their ability to bring peace of mind to pet owners. If this guide helped you understand your space better, consider joining the Plantopedia community by subscribing. We release new master guides every week to help you grow with confidence. By grouping your moisture-loving ferns together and keeping your trailing plants up on high shelves to protect them from playful paws, you're not just keeping your animals safe, you're building a thriving living masterpiece. Give your collection the care it deserves. This video is part of Plantopedia's growing plant library on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.